Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today in today's video I'm going to show you another method that you can use to get Windows 11 on your computer and without losing anything on your computer. Yes, you won't lose anything on your computer. So I need you first visit this website. You need to go on Google and you type flyby 11 GitHub, and once you type that, it will lead you to another page, which is the GitHub page, and you will need to click on that. Once you get to the to this main page, go on the right side where it says flyby. The file B, you need to click on the latest version. After you click on the latest version of the file B, you need to scroll down and you will see where it says flyby 11. You need to download the zip, okay, the format zip that is showing. So as you can see, 4 days ago the new version was released. Now once you have that downloaded in zip, you will need to right click on that and you click you extract all. Okay, extract all. And once you extract them, all the files inside, you will have a similar folder like that. So you only need to right click or double click on it, and then this dialog box will be open, which is this windows will be open. Now as you can see, it says in a few days, in 3 days, that Windows 11 support ends. So now you need to continue where it says upgrade. Now so you need to choose the option where it asks you to click and start upgrade to 11. Yes, you can press on that, choose that option so you can continue. And once you click on that, you will have this new window that is opened. From that window, where you will need to go, you will need to go on the right corner where I am right now. You need to click where it says download our ISO file. Once you click on that, this window dialog box will be pop up. You need to accept, yes, this PowerShell. It's normal, no worries. And once that is you click on yes, now it will give you this option. You need to click on the first one where you choose Windows 11. You can also choose Windows 10 from there, but we're going to choose Windows 11. And then we list, that is the same Windows 11 home. This is what you will have, but there you need to make sure you choose the correct language that is on your computer. This is the proper way you can keep your file in application. So if you do not use the correct language on your computer, you won't be able to keep your applications. You may be able to keep your files like video, photo, but you will lose your application in settings. Okay, so make sure you choose the correct language and I will show you where you will need to use that. Now the file is currently downloading. You can take a sip of coffee, okay, while it's downloaded, but I will need to speed it up so the video can be a little bit shorter. Let's see, I speed it up. Let's return to the main screen. Okay, almost done, just in a few sec. Okay, now it is completed. Now what we need to do, we don't need to open that. Make sure you know where it's located. It is in download in mine. It could be different from yours. Now you need to go back to the same windows. You need to click on this drop down and click where it says select from computer. Now you have the ISO file downloaded on your computer. You click on that and then you hit continue. Okay, now you will need to click on yes from this PowerShell. It is normal for a second time. and now it says you'll update from Windows 10 to 11. You can continue every single option they give you there. Continue. So this one, I put it bigger. I make it bigger for you so you can see, because if you don't have the first option, something is missing. You won't be able to keep your settings. So if you have the second option, you will keep your photo videos, but you should have the first option if you choose the correct language. Now let's continue by clicking on install, and from there the process will start. Now I speed it up so it can be a little bit shorter. Let's see together, just give that a few secs so it can be after a few seconds it should be completed. See? And remember, you need to choose the correct language, which is very important. If it's French, Spanish, English, you need to choose the correct one to download the correct file if you want to keep your files, including your settings. Otherwise, you will definitely lose your file, which is I'm talking about settings and apps. So now it's almost done. Let's see, we are almost into the last process. The computer will start again. It's normal, no worries. Okay, just give it a moment. Now and this method also allows you to skip the Microsoft. Sometimes the way you install it, you will need to put your Microsoft account, but from this method you don't need to do that. So you skip the Microsoft option when you use this method. Now what I'm currently showing you is some file that I have saved on my computer. You see some document. I also have videos and all of that stuff. So they are all remain on my computer. Mastering accent, these are documents that I have saved on my computer. So you type WinVer there, that will allow you to see what type of version that you have into your computer. You see now you have Windows 11. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, it's the best time to do that. So that can allow, or that can help us to grow, and you can find some more videos. And there, when you go in setting and update, this option as well, if you want to get back to Windows 11 after you use this method, you can on the search you type recovery option, okay, on the setting, and then you will go back. You will see where it says go back. If you click on go back, you will go back to your Windows 10 without losing anything again. Okay, so this method is so great, it's so powerful. So I really appreciate that you take a moment to watch this video. Remember, you need to subscribe if you haven't done that yet.